子供は半分ぐらいなんですが、
今日はみんな来てくれてすっごい嬉しいです。
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, I think it's the sun. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red carpet. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips. So bright in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be
このセ
alone.
ミナーは6月19日日曜日。時間は
10時から11時半。場所は
白鳥工業会館です。テーマが
将来差別をしていませんか？
皆さんのご参